reading is from The Science of Mind, page 273. When we conceive new ideas, it is an act of the divine projecting itself into creation. There were no flying machines until man made them. The spirit did not have a lot of little flying machine models put away in a cosmic cupboard somewhere. But the mind that conceived the possibility of the flying machine is God. The mind we use is the mind of the universe.
Yeah.
This is God in a man, and it is only through this mind that we understand anything. This mind in us is God speaking and God answering.